Beneath my skin.
Beneath my skin.
Beneath my skin. Beneath my skin, I am grateful.
Hello, my name is Raphael Corey, and one thing that I've learned over this past year about myself is that I'm stronger than I think I am.
When I was 7.5, maybe 8 years old, my dad passed away.
Ever since I was in elementary school, ever since my dad had passed away, I had been homeless. I've been homeless youth since I was a young kid.
Beneath my skin, I am free because I've accepted what I can control in my life and accepted things I can't control. And I'm free in the sense that I know what I can control.
Beneath my skin, I am a survivor.
Beneath my skin, I am grace. Beneath my skin, I am whole. Beneath my skin, I am kind.
Beneath my skin, I am a mosaic of the people that I've come in contact with.
Beneath my skin, I am worth it.
I can do so much more than anybody ever let me believe. And I will not let anybody ever tell me that I can't do anything.